Hello everyone! Welcome back to Learn with Yenn. Do you love potatoes? I'm not sure about you, but my children and I are crazy about potatoes. So, in today's video, let us make a yummy mashed potato salad. Come, let us grab our ingredients. Practicing good hygiene is very important. Please remember to wash your hands when we are preparing our food. Now that my hands are clean, let us make our mashed potato salad. We will need 2 medium-sized potatoes cut into cubes and steamed, 2 cherry tomatoes cut into cubes, about 1/3 of a medium-sized cucumber cut into cubes, a small onion, also known as shallot, diced, a hard-boiled egg, some mayonnaise, and also salt and pepper to taste. We will also need something to mash our potatoes, like a masher or a fork. First, we will have to mash our potatoes and the egg. Next, pour in the tomatoes, cucumber, shallots, and mayonnaise. Mix these up with the potatoes. Finally, put some salt and pepper to taste. And mix them up too. Now that we have finished preparing our salad, we will have to chill it in the fridge. This salad is best eaten with your family. When you are preparing this salad, you can let your little ones help by telling them to take the ingredients that is needed for the salad, or let them mash the potatoes. I hope you have a great time with your family and your little ones. Thank you for watching this video. See you again soon. Bye!